74 Torino, 429 Ford.
1970 Ford Torino. And this one's no run-of-the-mill Torino because it's a Super Cobra Jet. That means a 429 cubic inch V8 with 4-bolt mains, a compression ratio 11.3 to 1, a solid lifter cam, a Holley 780, header-style exhaust manifolds, unique cylinder heads, forged aluminum pistons, and oh yeah, it's rated 375 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque. There weren't very many transmission options available with the Super Cobra Jet. You could get a 3-speed automatic, or like this car, you could get that 4-speed top loader. With the drag pack, which again was mandated for the Super Cobra Jet, you had 2 different rear gear ratios available. For $155, you'd get the standard 391 gear, but for $207, you could get 430 rear gears with a Detroit locker. And you know that's what this car features. Weight isn't exactly a strong suit for the Torino. I mean, this is a big girl. With driver, 4,206 pounds. They didn't make very many Super Cobra Jets with a 4-speed back in 1970. There were only 129 in total. Motor Trend magazine tested a Super Cobra Jet Ford Torino in February of 1970. It had the standard 391 rear gears and a 4-speed manual transmission, and it ran 13.99 seconds at 101 miles per hour. Let's check out that opponent. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Super Sport, and this one is a dirty little rat. Specifically an L78 396 cubic inch V8. Has a solid lifter cam, 4-bolt mains, rectangular port heads, a Holley 780, forged piston crank and rods, and the compression ratio from the factory is 11 to 1. It was rated 375 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. Just like the Torino, if you take a look inside this Camaro, you'll find a 4-speed manual transmission. Outback 355 gears would have been standard, but this one has the upgraded set of 410 gears. There's a definite weight advantage for the Camaro in this matchup. This car with driver is 3,612 pounds, and that gives it nearly 600 pounds advantage. The L78 Camaro was somewhat uncommon, but not too rare. There were 4,889 produced. Car Life magazine tested a 69 Camaro L78 with a 4-speed and 373 rear gears. It ran the quarter mile in 14.77 seconds at 98.72 miles per hour. Let's see what these cars will do today.
And the Chevrolet Camaro. Red light.
In the first round, the Camaro gets a red light, giving the automatic win to the Torino, who ran 13.79 seconds at 94.41 miles per hour. In the other lane, the Camaro coasted through the finish line, running 13.95 seconds at 81.02 miles per hour. Let's check out round 2.
Mid cash, 74 Torino, 429 Ford. The win will go to the Chevrolet 1359 at 105. The win will go to the Chevrolet 1359 at 105.
In the second round, it's the Camaro that takes home the win, running 13.59 seconds at 105.52 miles per hour. In the other lane, the Torino ran 14.36 seconds at 93.32 miles per hour. With this best of 3 tied 1-all, let's check out that final round.
1969 Camaro SS396. Ford for the win. 1364 at 106 to a coasting 1769.
the final round, it's the Torino that takes home the win, running 13.64 seconds at 106.25 miles per hour. In the other lane, the Camaro had some obvious traction issues, and it ran 17.69 seconds at 55.89 miles per hour. Huge thanks to the owners for bringing out these cars. It was absolutely awesome seeing them on the drag strip. I'll catch you guys at the next one.